Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Plaid to link your bank and card accounts step by step clearly. Begin by opening the app or website that requires you to link your bank or card account. Look for the option to connect to Plaid. Click on the Connect or Link Account button. You will be directed to a new window or page that shows various financial institution logos. Select your bank or financial institution from the list. If you do not see your bank, use the search bar to type in its name. Once you've found your bank, click on it to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your banking credentials. Input your username and password for your bank account. If your bank uses two-factor authentication, complete that process as prompted. After successfully logging in, review the permissions that Plaid requests. Ensure you agree with the permissions before continuing. Click on the Authorize or Connect button to finalize the link. The app or website will then confirm that your bank account is linked successfully. You should now have access to your bank or card account via Plaid. If any errors occur, follow the troubleshooting prompts provided. Make sure to check your email or notifications for any additional verification steps. Once everything is set, you can proceed to use the app or website with your linked accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.